Hey YouTube, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting piece of technology for your iPad Pro. This one is a magnetic wireless charging stand from Ku XIU. We have reviewed them before. This is the wireless charging stand, but this one has magnetic arms so you can be more flexible on the go or at home when you're utilizing your iPad Pro 13-inch. But before we get into that, if you can please like, subscribe to this channel, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the love and support. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So once again, this is the magnetic wireless charging stand for your iPad Pro 13-inch, the M4 edition only. So I'll repeat, the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 edition only. If you get anything else beyond that and try to use it with this product, it will not work. Luckily, you can go on Amazon right now. It is $113.99, and you can currently get it for $6 off if you act fast. So that's a pretty good deal. And you can enjoy your desktop iPad Pro. Now, you want to know who this is for. Who is this for? This is for a person that needs a second monitor for content creation. Work laptop. Now that the iPad Pro is getting, and the software is getting better and more MacBook Pro-like, you would definitely want to utilize this as one of your second laptop options whenever you are on the go. Or maybe you don't have a laptop and you're debating if you want to get an iPad or a laptop. This will be a deciding factor as the iPad Pros are a little bit cheaper. This is also for video consumption, movie watching, as well as any kind of creative artistry. So this is pretty much who it's for, and for people who have extra money and want to have a iPad Pro as well as a MacBook Pro. Now, as with all of my videos, let's talk about the statistics and the specs. Well, this is a gray color arm bar with stand, and it is the world's first magnetic wireless charging stand. And it has 18-watt fast charging, and it is a sturdy aircraft grade aluminum alloy build, and it is a multi-angle adjustable and foldable design. And it has 5 adjustable joints. It has one of the most powerful magnetic pieces of material, which is the N52 magnetic stand, and it has a huge secure hold, so you will not be able to drop your iPad if you are using it properly. And once again, this is only for the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 edition only. So let's see what is in the box. Well, in the box we have the charging arm stand. You have a 2-meter 6.5 feet USB-C cable. You have the instruction manual, and you have 10 nano traceless cable clips, and you also have 10 cable clips. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now that we have it set up, let's take a look at the back of the unit. So on the back, you have your magnetic charging cable right here. So you have a couple ways to charge your iPad Pro. You can do it with the magnetic piece right here, and you can do it with the side right here for your normal iPad charging source. But the fact that you have 2 options here allows you to be versatile and add like maybe another USB-C for maybe your wireless keyboard or your mouse or any kind of flash drive that you may have. So it's very versatile. And the good thing about it is I have this at this position. So this is like one of those adjustable positions with this wireless charging stand. You can essentially, with a lot of effort, turn it all the way around, and you can start, you know, working your artwork or whatever options that you can do. It's very durable and flexible. It is very, very tall. So this thing can get up to about 26 inches if you stretch it all the way out. I don't necessarily have like a reason to do that other than to watch TV from a distance, but this is a pretty big iPad Pro, so you can really get a lot of, you know, use out of it. And as you can see, I mean, if I take it apart, it's really, you know, easy to take apart, but the 3 pins on the back of the iPad are married to the 3 pins right here. And, you know, this is just another reminder that it's only compatible with 13-inch Pro, the M4 edition. And it has the nice little cutout right here. This is very similar to this charger stand that I purchased from them as well. But the only difference is that it's this one is stationary. I mean, it has all of the, you know, the ordeals, but this is stationary and it's only in one specific, you know, position. But this one extends beyond what you have. So if I want to go a little bit closer, you know, I can just adjust it where it's stretching towards me even more. And I can flip it to the side right here to show people on the left, and I can show people on the right. And then I can turn, you know, backwards like this, and I can extend it all the way to the top. So you get a lot of versatility. I can get closer to you, the YouTube audience. So look at all this fun I'm having. Isn't that great? So my experience with this particular unit is great. So the first hurdle I had to get through was just pulling the arms apart. I mean, these are very sturdy and it is very secure, and you have to, you know, really, you know, move your arms a little bit. So if you have a guy friend or, you know, you don't want to like necessarily strain yourself, ask them to kind of like adjust it for you, because this is really sturdy and it really secures the position that you have, even if you're, you know, typing or doing whatever you can on this iPad with this stand. So just keep that in mind, and you know, it doesn't hinder my experience, so I'm not you know, hindered by those arms. And I would say overall, this is a very good option for you if you want a second monitor, or you want to create like another laptop experience. I mean, it's a huge 13-inch screen. I mean, I used to have the MacBook Pro or the MacBook with the 13-inch. So I think it's really cool that, you know, they kind of disaggregated it a little bit, where you can, you know, adjust and kind of customize your experience. If you don't want to use the MacBook laptop keyboard, you can use like a nice little tactile keyboard like I've done in the past. But I think this is really good for creative arts. I mean, you can do so much stuff. Video consumption, it goes without being said, and all the other features are, you know, great. And the fact that you have another option for the USB-C, it just takes it to the top. So, and then the most important part for insurance purposes, this is not going to fall apart because of this secure hold that you have back here. All right, here we have the Ku XIU magnetic wireless charging stand for your iPad Pro 13-inch. I have it set up here on my desk, and it is sitting up pretty high. If you just kind of take a look, you know, at my screen here. So as I said before, you can use it as another kind of like monitoring device. And I mean, it's got pretty much all you need right here. I mean, just look how sturdy it is. I mean, and the best part about it has a really nice secure hold, and I can adjust it as much as I want to. So I can go down here if I want to, or I can go all the way up here. Or I can flip it around and have it portrait mode. I mean, let me know what you think. I mean, this is pretty good. So are you gonna pick this wonderful item up? Let me know in the comments below. The link is gonna be in the description. Once again, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews. Thank you for spending some time with me on another exciting technology that is brought to you by Ku XIU, and it's for your iPad Pro 13-inch M4. Have a good day.